I'm just so over it. What's up, y'all? Welcome to Vlogmas Day, what, 5, 6, something. 6. Vlogmas Day 6. Welcome. So, today, we're going to the store. We're going shopping. I don't even really know. A video I recorded. Oh, my last video was reacting to my Spotify rap. I'm just gonna say it. I hated my results for that. Well, not my number one result for like artists, but song-wise, they did not record my whole songs for the year. I don't believe they recorded my artists for the whole year. I think they took a snippet of a part of the year and just used it. I just hated those results. I hated my songs. They didn't give no genres. They gave these stupid ass chord things talking about some hungry cowboy, Milky Moon chorus, some stupid shit like that. Literally, that wasn't like literally it, but that's how they were sounding. Stupid as fuck. I'm stopped. I am looking at my phone, but I'm stopped. I'm literally at the red light. I'm just looking and checking something real quick. And my phone's out of my hands again. Do not text, call, nothing like that while you're driving. The only thing I'm doing while I'm driving is change my damn music. Unless I'm at a red light, I do not touch that phone unless it's changed to music. I'll answer the phone. But if I answer the phone, I'm still not having the phone in my hand. It's going to be on speaker on my damn phone holder, which doesn't seem to work too much for me no more. So it's always on my seat or in one of my cup holders. But yeah, the heater definitely is on this though, because it's cold as hell outside today. It's cold as hell outside yesterday too. I got jinxed. That's what happened, because I was texting one of my friends that I graduated with. I replied to her story because she was like, for all you anemics out there, I just know y'all are freezing. I was like a post she shared or something like that. And I replied to it and I was like, actually, I've been hot lately. And I'm telling you, it's like ever since I replied to that, I've been freezing. I can't do this no more. To be fair, I haven't been taking my iron though. But still, I wasn't taking my iron when I was hot. And I was like, nah, actually, I've been hot. Like, that's shady. I'm trying to see, because usually after it gets to like 12, 13 minutes, I don't know why, but my camera restarts like and turns the video into a whole nother video. So then it's 2 videos. So it restarts it, like it ends one video and it starts recording for another video. And so when I edit, it's not one big video I'm editing. It's like a bunch of videos I'm putting together. And I hate that, but I mean, like, just the camera I'm using for right now until I get a new camera. And I ain't getting no damn new camera right now. I got bills to pay. I got my car insurance. I got my phone bill I need to pay. I need to start paying off some of my credit card. I got things to do. I'm not going to take my money and buy a damn camera just yet, because this camera is nothing wrong with it besides that one little thing that I just don't like about it. Like, once I get like more comfortable recording, which I am comfortable recording, I would like to add it. But once I get to a point where I'm like, I feel like after I release a certain amount of videos and I know I'm taking this 100% serious and I'm doing this like more than just like for Vlogmas, then I feel like I'm gonna buy me a camera. So I'm probably gonna buy me a camera in January. Like, if I get to the whole Vlogmas and I'm still releasing videos after Vlogmas, I just feel like I'm gonna buy me another camera, because that's just logically me. Like, if I feel like I'm dedicated to it and stuff, I'm gonna support it. I'm supposed to be looking at the road. I am, to an extent. I'm looking at this damn thing and I'm trying to look at it reset. This video only made it to 14 minutes. and it still hasn't reset yet. But it'll be just my luck to where while I'm driving, well, I'm about to park soon, but as I'm driving, I'm looking at it, and as soon as I look up or something, it'll reset. That'll be just my luck, I'm telling y'all. Who parked like that? Some people truly just don't deserve like a car or any type of damn transportation vehicle, nothing like that. Cause some of y'all just can't park to save y'all damn lives. Like if I came up to your car with a gun saying, park this car correctly, you're dead. You're literally dead. Oh? Oh. I was gone. Maybe it was the lighting, cause I was looking in the mirror and I didn't see it. That's why I looked back down, and it was still there. And then I touched it, and looked back up in the mirror, and it's not on my hand. So I don't know. But this video is recording 15 minutes. It's 10 strong. But I'm gonna see you on the store, cause I just parked and stuff. Let me get down, and I'm gonna see you on the store. Okay, so I'm on my phone now, but because I don't think I got enough space on my camera, but I'm not gonna record my whole time in the store. I'm gonna just record me getting the ingredients for the cookies. So I'm looking for a red velvet cake mix, but does the brand matter? Not really. But do I want it to match the brand I have in my cabinet already? Yes, I do. But I don't see like they're here. So I think I'm gonna just get a different brand because yeah. Also, I'm gonna get some white chocolate chips. So let's see, do they even have the, I don't want, no, I'm not leaving my basket right yet with that camera. Okay, so I can't even turn this damn camera around. This is the only red velvet mix I've seen. Like, oh, actually, no, that's a carrot cake. I want a pound cake mix. Okay, this is the only one I'm seeing. Cause, let's see, yeah, that's the only one I see. Cause, oh my bad, I'm not supposed to look on camera. Oh, white baking chocolate chip. Oh, these are good, but oh, those are more expensive. Yeah, I'm gonna do these. All right, so I just needed the white chocolate chips and the cake mix to make them into red velvet cookies, and I have cookie shapers. I'm gonna just shape them as like gingerbread men and stuff like that. I'm gonna just shape them. So I got the ingredients. I'm gonna see when I get home though, cause yeah, cause I gotta shop somewhere. So bye for now. Yeah, y'all, it's time for me to go. I wouldn't even in here too long, cause they got too much going on up in here. I'm gonna tell y'all when I get in the car though. So basically, I started looking at all the dates on the damn meat, because I came to get packs of like meat, like pork chops, chicken, all that. I came to get packs of that. So this damn mail truck coming all slow. I came to get some packs of meat as well, because I wasn't just grocery shopping for it. Am I gonna be able to turn? Because this damn mail truck is going so damn slow. No, I'm not gonna be able to turn because these fucking idiots are coming like crazy. But yeah, so basically I went to get some more packs of meat for the house. And I was looking at all the dates, and the dates were so fucking close. I tell y'all. Bitch, oh my god. I'm gonna have a fucking aneurysm if y'all don't dry y'all cars faster. Oh, finally. Damn. But yeah, so all the dates were like super fucking close, like December 10th, 11th, and 12th mostly. And they're gonna get frozen, so they can pass the date a little longer, but not the whole damn month. Like literally, when you freeze, I don't know if that's like 100% accurate, so don't quote me on it. But for us, when like we freeze our meat like in our deep freezer, So like we like go in the deep freezer, take out some meat, and like put it defrosting and cook it, eat it. So when it's frozen, in the freezer to like prolong its life. But if the expiration date is usually so far away from the day you buy it, so if that's the expiration date and you freeze it, it's gonna prolong its life. But to just like to like have it in the freezer, like in the deep freezer, for like damn near like 20 days after its expiration date, I just don't feel is very healthy. So yeah, I'm not trying to risk getting food poisoning. So I had to go because we are currently on what, December 5th. The expiration date for most of that meat in that damn building is 5 days. It's in 5 days. So basically, in like 5, 6, 7 days, they're gonna have to throw away all that meat. But I don't trust big corporations. So I feel like what they do is, I feel like they change the date, which I feel like they have done before because I went to that store before. And I know you're probably like, why always go to the store? This store is discounted, really. So yeah, it's a discounted store, but still, to pay for spoiled food is crazy. And a lot of their meat is mostly spoiled, so when you go in there, you have to like actually smell the damn meat and like to make sure it's not spoiled. I am not cool with that, so I don't like going over there mostly, but my mom was like, just go there. So I went there and I smelled the meat and shit. And what? Well, I'm lying on the damn camera. I said I went there and smelled the meat. I did not smell the meat. Once I saw the expiration date, I left. Because I went down to other meat and it was fucking, the meat was, the expiration date was like the day right after the other expiration date. So I'm like, yeah, so we're not getting that. So I just went ahead and left because I got the stuff for the cookie still, and I had to get some sausage and some tasso for our gumbo. But I left because it's not happening. It's not. But I got the stuff for the cookies and stuff. So I'm gonna see y'all when I get home because I got everything for this video. Home. Let's do this. Let me show you how it's looking. And that's as of right now before the eggs. And I'm not mixing it then putting the eggs because that's nasty. Because that's just gonna look really good. Yuck. Maybe I do need to add the other 2 eggs. This video is sponsored by Coke. No, it's not. I'm just playing. It's hot. This is Ashley. No, it's not Ashley. Eggs. I'm immediately picking up this one because I see it's cracked already. Look how almost perfect this line is. Let's wait, let's mix it through and see. This is how our cookie dough is looking. Looks disgusting. Let's see how it looked in the video. No shade, it looks the same. Maybe I should add the last egg though. Let me see. Is it like, no, it's grabbable. It just sticks a little. Okay, hold on. I seen the ideal form, but I had to wash my hands for. Oh, actually, this needs to go in the fridge. Actually, I am gonna crack these the last egg for it. Four eggs. Any type of form of foam rubbing together irritates me. Yeah, baby. Alright, let's mix this last egg in. Oh no. The last egg. What is that? It comes from the egg. We're just gonna say it's protein. No, it's starting to bother me though. It looks like a booger. Question mark? Wait, no, I have something missing. Hold on. in a bag. It was in the fridge. Oh. It ripped straight down the middle. I'm gonna try to curve the. Yeah, I did it. Okay, it's curved now. An unhealthy amount. Maybe I should add more. We're gonna see how it mixes first. Hold on, let me see. Let me see. Now, what's the really unhealthy amount? There we go. That looks good. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the racks out the oven, cover it in foil, lay the cookies down. Sounds like a plan. BRB. Okay, so I'm going to have to run to the store because apparently we're out of foil. So either I'm going to get foil or I'm going to get like a big pan for cookies, but I think I'm just going to get some foil. I could have sworn we had foil. A necessity. We had it for Thanksgiving, and it didn't run out because I rewrapped something. Like I rewrapped a pan of food after Thanksgiving, and I put it in the. Damn. Oh no, never mind. I don't have to run to the store. Let's prop them up. Foil. Oh, also, I do not know who knows this, but if you want your stuff to cook faster, you put the reflective side facing up towards the light and towards the hot part at the top, because you want it to the light to bounce back off and cook it faster. So do not use the dull part, use the shiny part. Alright, let me get the cookie cutters because my camera's gonna die high key. So let me hurry up and do these and then put them in the oven, and then we gon' talk after I charge my camera. Alright, so we have a gingerbread, we have a snowflake, and we have a snowman. And let me dry these off real quick. Now again, we could do one or two things. I'm gonna lay this all out like a block, and then bake it, then cut them, but that's gonna leave cookie like to waste, but nothing goes to waste around here, so it's gonna get eaten. Gotta know, but we can try to put the dough in there. I did this with pancakes one year, but I used some food coloring and did like different. I need to get some food coloring for Christmas because those chocolate covered Oreos are gonna be Christmas designs on them. So yeah, so let's try this first. Like it's late, just bring one now. Put a thing of, we're gonna put some cookie dough like in. I don't like the plan already. Hold on, let's try this. Okay. Seat. 0 seats or whatever. Alright, hold on, let me see. Let's turn this way. Yeah, okay. So let's see. Okay, so if this doesn't work, I'm just gonna stretch it across the whole thing across the pan because honestly I'm gonna lose my mind. Well, the last of my mind anyway. And this still isn't big enough. You know what? I'm over it. I'm over it. I'm gonna mix the bit we have left. Well, actually, we have more than a bit left, so we over here. But should I trick y'all at y'all spot and show like a clip of this, but like a fake clip before the intro? Like, I'm so over it, and just like throw something or something like that. I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm just so over it. I needed that. Piece of the bowl. Oh, who's calling me? Oh, my mom. Watch this. Hello? Hello? You said what?
What's wrong? Why y'all? I'm over it. What's wrong?
Nothing. I'm doing it for clickbait. Making some red velvet cookies. Yeah, I'll be up there in a little bit. Bye.
Wait, let me see.
Let you see what?
The red velvet cookies. I never seen that before.
Yes, you have. I used to bring those home because they used to sell them at my school.
Get the camera. Let me see them.
No, because it's not done. Bye. Not gonna lie. I washed my hands before this, y'all know. Oh, if y'all wondering what's cooking on the stove, it's just water I'm boiling. I have to dye my jeans. Because either I start work on Saturday or next week sometime. Look, another piece of the bowl. Look. I didn't order bowl on the side. But, okay, I scraped as much as I possibly could out. Just to open up the hand. I'm just gonna mash it. Oh, it's not even leaving much. Well, kudos to the oil. It's just very oily. Like, you see the sheen? Yeah, y'all see it. Yeah. I'm gonna go wash my hands and BRB. Oh. Alright, oh, y'all can see it. I was about to say, let me show y'all. Y'all can see it. It's flat out, mostly stretched out across the thing. I only got 3 cookie cutters, so I'm probably not gonna cut all of those because I don't want to do that. But I'll probably take like 3 out and cut it just for it to be Christmas cookies. But hey, it's red. It's red, so that counts. Alright, I'm gonna put these in the oven and I'm gonna see y'all once this camera's charged because it's gonna die. I'm already knowing. Bye, y'all. Say bye, cookies. Bye. Yeah, bye. Alright, y'all. Cookies are done. Look. Okay, so this is the gingerbread one, the snowflake one, and the snowman one. Alright, so I'm not doing, actually, yeah, I think I am doing the whole thing like that. So let's see how they look in. And I'm gonna just start doing them all over. Oh no. Oh, hold on.
Mama said she don't want a piece.
Alright, so we got 5 snowmans, y'all. 5 snowmen. We're trying to stop making all that noise. Get on. On my soul. Get on. Oh no! You barely passing your grade. Get on my soul.
I hope you leave.
I hope you leave first.
I hope you leave.
I hope you leave right now. Nick.
Stupid.
Yeah, dummy.
You're the one here.
No, I graduated, baby. You see my diploma up there? Yeah, we not the same. You still in school.
Shut
Did
up,
we just get off?
Lord.
Yeah. Miss me on my soul.
Shut up.
On my soul.
Nobody
On the
gonna
dead
miss
homies.
you.
On my soul. On my
Nobody's
soul.
gonna miss you.
On my soul. Nobody's gonna miss you. You're annoying.
Nobody
No one
likes
likes you.
No one likes you.
You like me, huh? Exactly. You miss me.
Because you force it to like you.
No.
You're stupid.
I'll force you to like me? Okay.
Yes, you do.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Loser. Nobody
Be
likes you.
very careful
You
around me.
asking the littlest kid, do you like me? You're stupid.
Everybody like me.
No,
You can go knock on your big brother door right there. Everybody like me.
No, I don't like
On my
you,
soul.
idiot.
That's your problem. You the only one that don't like me. Cause you're mad. Cause you sure liked me last night when I was giving you some juice.
Idiot.
On my soul.
You didn't give me nothing. You
Yes,
didn't
I
give me no
did.
juice.
Yes,
I
I did.
brought my own juice.
No, I gave you some juice, huh,
No,
Jolly?
you didn't.
Huh, Jolly?
You didn't give me no juice.
No, you was up. You wasn't sleeping.
I poured my own juice.
You ain't pour your own nothing.
Yes, I did.
You a lying little nigga. You a lying little nigga.
That's all you do.
Baby, brokey.
You're broke.
Fall from
You're
it.
living in another person's house.
I'm living in my mama house. What is you talking about? Another person's house. Nigga, you living in another person's house.
I don't care.
You don't care. Yes, because you're broke. Broke people don't care.
Broke.
Broke people don't mind leeching. We not the same.
You're
We are not the same.
You're broke.
We're not the same. I'm not
You're
you.
broke.
I'm not broke. I'm not you.
You are broke. You're living in another person's house.
Yeah, baby. Christmas gonna look very empty for you. Because I ain't getting you no present. Because I ain't getting you no present.
Go buy your own house.
Yeah, no. Baby, I could buy my own house right now. Because you're talking about. I don't want to.
Yeah, because it's your bro.
No, because I'm rich. You sounded stupid. Go buy you a haircut. Next. Miss me. Dummy. Stupid.
You're stupid.
Stupid.
You're the stupid.
Liddy. On my mama. Stupid.
You can't fight, loser.
I can't fight. What's up?
No, you can't.
What's up? You talking about something I can't fight? You walking up?
Loser.
You walking up? Yeah, you better put that milk in the refrigerator. Because that's the best thing that's good
Shut
for
up,
you. On my
loser.
soul, because you already know what's going
Shut
on.
up.
Keep it pushing. On my soul.
Shut up,
That's what I thought.
You're
On my soul, because
so
yeah, because I'm going to keep talking. Who going to shut me up? Come shut me up. That's what I thought. You ain't nothing. You ain't nothing. You is light work.
Shut up.
Light work. I can really do it to you. Miss me. On my soul. On the dead homies. I'm going to keep talking, little nigga. Miss me. On my soul. You can play with your mama. Don't play with me. Because it's going to be up every single time. On my soul. On the who? See, I told him, shut up, huh? Exactly. Miss me. All right, y'all. So let's count. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 snowmen. We got 6 snowflakes. We got 6 gingerbread men. And I'm gonna show y'all the layout. Oh, what's that?
That was just the thing. For that.
Oh, okay. Gotta show y'all the layout. Snowman. It gets like a blurry mess after a while, like of the camera moving, but yeah. And that camera not even fully charged yet. But and that is our YouTube video for today. We got our cookies. Oh, actually I gotta try one at least, right? I'm on a diet though. I'm a little scared, y'all. I don't want to mess up my diet. Alright, we got a snowman because they're the smallest ones because I don't want to break my dietary restrictions. So good. Let me stop joking. Stupid. They're actually really good. There are cookies, but I mean, I wouldn't. They're a little cakey. Probably because it was cake mix, but Yeah. I'll see y'all in the next video. Out.